So what would be really cool for homework, I think, and people might absolutely hate me for suggesting this, but I think it would be a very good exercise to work with some of the stuff that we've been doing today, is to modify your program so that the inventory is actually populated dynamically at the beginning of the program. So what we would have to do is we would have to store our inventory inside of collections, like a list, and then the user would be responsible for entering all the items. So we would do something like, the prompt would look something like, enter item one's name or blank to stop. And then we would type in Coke. And then it would say, enter item one's price. And we would type in 43.4. And then it would continue to ask us for items until we typed in a blank name, in which case it would stop.